Hello viewers, this is our electrical control lab. Here we are conducting class in electrical control and relay logic applications. Electrical controls means we can control any electrical equipments, devices by using push button switches, contactors in properly and systematic manner. Now I am going to demonstrate application of electrical control. In this we can control electrical three-phase induction motor and as well as direction of AC motor. Here you can see this is our starter circuit, this is our induction motor. These are already wired with this starter circuits. There is two parts of this starter circuit. First is power circuit, second is control circuit. Already we have wired this starter circuit. Now I am controlling this three-phase induction motor as well as direction of induction motor. So now I am pressing start button. By pressing this push button, now you can see here, now my motor is going forward direction, reverse direction. This is our limit. This limit should decide the movement of this bars. My motor is running reverse direction and as well as forward direction. By these two limit switch, we can control direction of this motor. Here we are using two limit switch, one for reverse direction, another for forward directions. By using these two limit switch, we can control direction of three-phase induction motor. Limit switch is the control device or switching device we can use in many applications in industries like lathe machine, CNC machines, overhead cranes and elevators. This is our Elway simulation kit. This is also suitable for fault finding. We can simulate the fault in the starter circuit by pressing fault simulation switches. We can create the fault and with the help of multimeter we can rectify it. So these are fault simulation key switches. By pressing these switches, we can create fault in starter control circuits. This program is very useful for electrical maintenance engineer, job seeker and student. After completion of this course, participant will be able to draw, test and run in electrical control circuit of any machines. They will be also able to perform fault finding and troubleshooting and rectify it confidently. Apart from electrical control and relay logic application course, we also offer transformer switchgear maintenance and electrical maintenance.